gentlemen, I'm going to provide you with an example of how I want you to present your phonetics and alphabet sounds presentation in English. This is going to be presented at the end of the course level, and it's going to be your oral presentation that's going to go along with your English final written exam. Okay, this is how we're going to begin. First, you got to introduce yourself. I'm going to say, hi, my name is Luis. I am your teacher at CETI English, and I'm here to provide an English presentation on the phonetics color chart. And at times, I'm going to use the phonetics word reference chart. I'm going to explain the 23 vowel sounds in English. Of course, there are 5 vowel sounds, but they pronounce a total of 23 sounds. Then I'm going to present the phonetics consonant sounds in English. Of course, there's 22 letters, but they pronounce 35 sounds altogether. I'm going to present the 58 sounds in English. There's 27 letters, but there are 58 sounds. After I complete the sounds presentation, I'm going to tell you how to pronounce the English alphabet from letters A to Z in English. Of course, I'm going to begin with the vowel letters, and then I will proceed with the other letters. The first sound on our vowel letters is the word at. At is the word, and the sound is ah on our color chart. Ah. Then we have the word up, and the underlined section is the sound uh. Then we have the word in. The underlined section is the sound e. Then we have the word pet. The underlined section is the sound e. Then we have the word not. The underlined section is the sound aw. Then we have the word above. The sound is ah. Then we have her. The sound is All. The sound is aw. R. The sound is R. Noon. The sound is oo. Eat. The sound is e. Air. The sound is a. Put. The sound is oo. Or the sound is o. High. The sound is I. Excuse me. May. The sound is a. O. The sound is o. U. The sound is you, you. Out. The sound is ow, ow. Boy. The sound is oi, oi. Memoir. The sound is were, were. One. The sound is wa, wa. Your. The sound is yo, yo. These are the 23 vowel sounds in English. We're going to proceed with the 35 consonant sounds. The first consonant sound is pup. The sound is huh, huh. Then we have at. The sound is t, t. Then we have is, is. The sound is z, z. Then we have us, us. The sound is s, s. Then we have a j. The sound is j, j. Then we have my. The sound is mm, mm. Then we have nice. The sound is mm, mm. Then we have fan. The sound is f, f. Then we have van. The sound is v, v. That's this sound. Then we have did, did. The sound is d, d. Then we have the. The sound is the. That would be this sound right here. The. Then we have thin, thin. The sound is th, th, th. Then we have yes, yes. The sound is y, y. Then we have let. The sound is l, l. Then we have we. The sound is w, w. Then we have kit. The sound is k, k. And we have run. The sound is r, r. Then we have buy. The sound is b, b. That would be this sound right here. Then we have hot, hot. The sound is h, h. That would be this sound over here. Then we have gum. Close that door, please. Gum, gum. The sound is g, g. Then we have she, she. The sound is sh, sh. Then we have chin, chin. The sound is ch, ch. Then we have sing, sing. The sound is ing, ing, which is this one here and this one here, ing. Then we have little, little. The sound is ul, ul. Then we have fire, fire. The sound is year, year. Then we have just, just. The sound is j, j. Then we have quite, quite. The sound is qu, qu. Then we have axa, axa. The sound is cuss, cuss. Then we have exit, exit. The sound is guzz, guzz. Then we have anxious, anxious. The sound is cush, cush. Then we have luxury, luxury. The sound is gush, gush. Then we have Joneses, Jones as, and the sound is az, az. Then we have whale, whale. The sound is wha, wha. Then we have rhythm, rhythm, and the sound is um. Then we have isn't, isn't, and the sound is on, on. And again, these are the 35 vowel sounds in English, 35. And I'm sorry, consonant sounds. These are the 35 consonant sounds. And of course, we have 22 consonants, 5 vowels, but altogether they pronounce a total of 35 sounds in English. And we want to learn these sounds completely because we want to use them to pronounce letters and words, especially. But something as simple as letters, they are necessary to pronounce. The sounds are necessary to pronounce even letters. One single letter can use up to 2 sounds. So it's not the same thing. You don't have letters as sounds or sounds as letters. Letters is only that, which is the letter you write. But sounds, in some cases, there are 2 or 3 sounds or up to 5 sounds in some letters that are used to pronounce the letter. So sounds and letters are not the same thing. And I'm going to explain that to you here with this video. As you can see, we have, as you already know, we have 27 letters from A to Z. I'm going to pronounce each letter the way it's pronounced in English. For example, the letter A is pronounced A as in air. A, that's the way you pronounce the letter A. The letter B is pronounced B with a B as in by and an E as in eat, B. C, us, the sound S, and eat, the sound E, C. D, the sound D as in did, with E as in eat, D, D. E, the sound E as in eat. F, the sound E as in pet, with the sound F as in fan, F, F. G, the sound J as in a jur, with the sound E, eat, G, G. H, the sound ch as in chin, I'm sorry, the sound A as in air, with the sound ch as in chin, H, H. I, the sound I as in high, I is the letter I, it's a vowel. J, the sound J as in a jur, with the sound air as in a, J, J. K, the sound kit, the sound k as in kit, with the sound a, K. L, the sound e as in pet, with the sound l as in let, L. M, the sound e as in pet, with the sound my, the sound as in my, M, M. Then you have the sound E as in pet again, with the sound N as in nice, N. L, M, N. Then you have O as in the sound O. Then you have P, P as in pup, E as in eat, P. Q, you have the sound K as in kit, with the sound U, Q, Q. R, you have the sound R here, R. Then you have S, E as in pet, with the sound S as in us. T, the sound at, the word at, the sound T, and then eat, the sound E, T, T. U, the sound U. Then you have V, the sound, the word van, the sound V, with the sound E from the word eat, V, V. X, no, V, W, W, the sound D from did, with the sound from up, okay? The sound B from by, the sound O from little, and the sound U from you. W, D, B, O, U. 5 sounds for one letter, W, okay? And you have X, the sound E, with the sound X, X, X. Then you have Y, the sound W, as in we, with the sound I, Y, Y. Then you have the sound Z, the sound Z from is, with the sound E from eat, Z. And those are the 27 alphabet letters pronounced with the 58 pronunciation sounds. A total of 58 sounds, 27 letters. Some letters occupy repeated sounds, but they all, except 6, use a minimum of 2 sounds. You have 5 vowel sounds that use 1 sound. You have 1 consonant, the letter R, that uses 1 sound. And the other letters occupy at least 2 sounds. The letter W occupies 5 sounds. And that's how you use the sounds to pronounce the letters. So again, this presentation was to explain how the blank color chart, the phonetic sounds chart, identifies all the pronunciation sounds in English. And we can use the word reference chart to learn these sounds, and then we can use them to pronounce letters, and we can use them to pronounce words in English. That is my phonetics presentation. I hope you can use it as a good example for the presentation that you will put together. Good luck, everybody, and see you in class.